And look, I think the United States is better prepared than to solve global challenges that require every nation to do its part. I think and our priorities.
John Lithgow's ball sack looks exactly like his face.
Where the use of nuclear weapons is totally unacceptable. I made it clear that we want to see cross-strait issues peacefully resolved, and meaningful progress around the world. Ukraine, as they intended from the beginning. Not just in Ukraine, people, but the people around the world, particularly food insecurity.
You weren't this guy.
We saw was the strength and resilience of American democracy, and we saw it in action. And the American people prove once again that democracy is who we are. People prove once again that democracy is who we are. Who we are. Who we are. It has to do with this industry. A lot of that has to do with this industry. A lot of that has to do with this industry.